Greetings, Mrs. Hardy. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I've put together an outline for the training of your teachers in 21st century skills and what it means to be digitally literate. I included the websites that helped me put together this outline and I embedded the links. So feel free to use those at your leisure. I will not cover everything on this outline. I will only talk about the bolded words that you see. The first thing to address are some key skills that are adamant to have to be successful in the 21st century as a teacher or as a learner. The two that I have chosen to talk about seem to be the most challenging to most teachers and learners. So I'll just begin. Collaboration is when teamwork is put to the test to reach a goal. In this strategy, two heads or more are better than just one. Because with two heads, there's talent, expertise, and smarts that are coming together and being used to attain something. So critical thinking is the second skill, and this is looking at problems in a new way. It's linking learning across subjects and disciplines. This involves asking a lot of abstract questions that most would not think of and just asking them a lot. That is also a very important skill to have. Next, I want to cover what it means to be digitally literate. So let's look at the definition. The definition is having the capability to understand and use the concepts, information, and knowledge about technology. And you must understand that technology is everywhere today. It is constantly being used, therefore, teachers and students alike need to understand how to use it and what kind of resources for education is out there. There are four main types of digital literacy. I'm only going to talk about one though, and that's information literacy. This is when an individual is finding, sorting, and evaluating their information. This is a very important step because it is making sure that the information is assessing everything that it is supposed to assess. So it's very important that it's being used. Lastly, I want to cover a standard for teaching, an ISTE standard. And that one would be to design and develop digital age learning experiences and assessments. This standard is about developing a technology enriched learning environment that enables like all students to just pursue their individual things that they want to and just to become active participants in the classroom to attain their own goals in education and just to manage their own learning so they can be active in their learning and assessing their own progress. So it's very important for teachers to teach students how to do that using technology so that they can be held accountable for that because it is a very basic need. So in conclusion, I hope this screencast was very beneficial to you and that this outline comes in handy. So good luck!